Welcome to 7085 Via Pacifica, located in the highly sought-after Los Paseos community of Santa Teresa in San Jose, a neighborhood known for its convenience and charm. This recently updated home offers a versatile and thoughtfully designed floor plan with both separate living and family rooms, giving you the flexibility to entertain, relax, or work from home with ease. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the luxury vinyl flooring throughout, creating a clean, modern look that's both stylish and durable. The heart of the home is the open concept kitchen, beautifully updated with new appliances and designed to flow seamlessly into the main living spaces, perfect for everyday living or hosting friends and family. The updated bathrooms blend comfort with contemporary design, and one of the most valuable upgrades of all is the brand new roof, offering peace of mind and long-term value for the next homeowner. Step outside and enjoy the expansive backyard, complete with a generous side yard ideal for outdoor entertaining, play, or simply relaxing under the South Bay Area sun. Location truly sets this home apart. You're just minutes from Bernal Plaza shopping and dining, with easy access to highways 101 and 85, making commuting throughout the Silicon Valley a breeze. Plus, the home is located within the top-rated and Sobrato High School attendance area. 7085 Via Pacifica offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and location. An exceptional opportunity to call Santa Teresa home. Give me a call for a private showing.